I'm Mike Osmond, President and Partner of CUTWORX USA, based here in Dallas, Texas. CUTWORX USA specializes in innovative finishing equipment for digital printers, graphic signs, POP, and the packaging markets. Our line of finishing equipment is designed to automate the finishing workflow process while reducing time and cost. Our flagship product is the CUTWORX Tools application table. This industry favorite has hundreds of installations all over the world. Our finishing solutions also includes our award-winning Eclipse and Apex series of flatbed digital cutters. CUTWORX USA is also the exclusive North American distributor of Flexa and Vivid branded products.